In this video, we'll show you how to set up a LLC in the state of Alabama. So for setting up my LLCs, I like to use this software called Busy. I'll have a link in the description down below. And basically this is going to handle all of the legal processes and stuff that needs to go through in order to set up an LLC in the state of Alabama. So again, if you want to follow along, I'll have a link down in the description down below. So when you come to this page, you're going to need to select LLC for the entity. And for the state, we're going to go ahead and select Alabama and then click on where it says Start My Business. So Busy has 3 different plans that you can choose from: the basic plan, standard, and premium. I recommend just getting the standard plan, as this is going to handle your EIN tax number, your operating agreement, and it's also going to set you up with a registered agent, which you're going to need to set up an LLC in Alabama. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says Get Started. Now for the LLC name, this is going to be the name of your business. So enter in whatever the name of your business is, and then choose for the designator. You're going to want to choose either LLC, L.L.C, or limited liability company. I'm just going to go with the standard LLC and then click on where it says Next. So the typical state filing time for Alabama is going to be about 3 weeks. So Busy offers a 1 business day filing time for $50. Personally, if you're not in a rush, you can just go ahead and go with the $0 free 3 weeks filing time, and you can go ahead and click on where it says Next. Next, you're going to need to enter in a person that is going to be contacted if there's anything that needs to be asked or anything that needs to be changed with your LLC. So this is going to be the person that Busy contacts. So go ahead and enter in the first, last name, and the email and phone number. Next, it's going to ask you if you want to set up a virtual business address or if you'd like to use your own address. So you can get the professional business address plus virtual mail service for $29 a month, or you could just use your own address. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use my own address, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom and enter in the address that I'm going to use for the company. Once I've done so, I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says Next. Then it's going to ask if I want any of these premium service packages. I'm just going to click No Thanks and go to the next page. For the numbers of members of your LLC, this is where you're going to want to enter in how many people are part of your LLC. For me, it's just myself, so I'm going to enter in 1. And then I'm just going to enter in my details and click on where it says Next. Now this page is really important. So you could either have Busy assign a registered agent free for 1 year, or you could act as your own registered agent. I would highly recommend you use Busy's registered agent service because there's a lot of tedious stuff that needs to get handled. And if you don't know what you're doing, it's better off just letting someone else that knows what they're doing handle it for you. So I would go ahead and select that, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says Next. Here's where you need to enter in your tax identification number. So this is going to set up your employee identification number, which is going to be used for your business. And that's going to offer you to set up a small business banking account. This is completely optional. I'm not going to do this at this time. So I'm going to click on where it says No, not at this time. And I'm going to click on where it says Next. Then they'll also offer you a tax strategy, free consultation. Again, I'm just going to click I'm not interested and click on where it says Next. You can also set up business license and permits, but again, we're just going to click No Thanks. I'll do this at work myself, and I'm going to click on where it says Next. Then we're going to see all of our order information here. You'll want to verify that everything is correct and click on where it says Next. And that will bring you to the billing page in which you can enter in your billing information to go ahead and set up the LLC. So again, if you want a link to this service, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.